So oil sticks are a stick. They're not oil pastels. Oil pastel and oil sticks have different kind of oils in there. So an oil pastel is one that the oil doesn't cure the same way as an oil paint. And so if you want to save that picture that you're painting, you would have to put it under glass. These are oil sticks, meaning they're actually very much like what's in, a tubed paint. And that kind of oil that's in those tube paints, that cures, meaning that it gets a hard crust on it and eventually it sort of dries out. It doesn't dry like water, but it dries like an oil. The difference between the tube and the oil stick is the oil stick has a little more wax in it. And what I like about it is I've been a pastel artist, and so I'm used to applying the colors with my hand. This allows me to do that. Okay, so the solvent I have is the same solvents that you would use with any other oil paint. And right now the one that I'm using is, like a lot of artists, Gamsol. So let's see how this will go. Okay, so I have my oil stick. I open up the tube and pop it out. You can see I can hold it right now with my hand. Some colors might be a little bit looser than that, but it's got a skin on it. The way I like to use it is I take a razor. This is a piece of tape I put on here so I could hold it. And I just cut it like that. And then the inside is, can you see that? The inside has, will come off there. But when I take like a tissue, I don't want to go all the way around, but you see this skin here. Okay. And I'm just going to do it on one side and a little bit over the top. This is going to be the top. And the reason I don't take the skin all the way off is because I want to be able to hold it without getting gunk all over. Now it's ready to draw. And you can do it on the side. Make a side mark. You can draw with it. You can even, if you wanted to, although I abandoned ship on it, but you can literally cut it at an angle. And if you get, the skin has to be off a little, you can get it and you can actually draw fairly thin lines with it. So when this cures up, the skin will come back on it and it'll work. Now, a question people might have is, will it all cure out from, and I haven't had a stick cure all the way out, just develop a skin. So I put it back in my handy dandy little tube, and then it's nice and clean. Please let me know if you have any questions.